Hey guys, so today we're going to be finally getting through some of this new makeup. The palette we're going to try out today is the But Does It Come in Pink palette from Plouise. These came out in one of their budget boxes a little while ago, and I think it might be available on the website. Don't quote me, I'm not 100% sure. But this is the palette we have here. Now, pinks on the eyes don't normally suit me very well, but I feel like these kind of colours over here are kind of like my jam. So, by the way, I feel like my eyebrows look really silly and I don't know why. I think it's because of like the concealer, but I don't know, they're giving me like block brows. I'm hoping, I haven't used pomade in such a long time, so maybe that's why, I don't know. Anyway, first things first, we're just priming the eyes with the Plouise base. You know, room 01. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. Oh my god, I feel like also because it's like a little bit like a dark, like the contrast, it just looks crazy. Why is it so dark? I don't know. I have all my lights on. Anyway, whatever, let's just get into it. Goodness, I don't even know. Should we try it? I feel like a halo eye would be cool for today. Maybe we should do something like that. I'm just gonna see where it goes, to be honest. Alright, the first shade that I'm gonna take is called No Filters. It's like bubblegum pink. Just gonna put that through the crease and then, yeah, go from there. Cute. Yeah, I really don't know where we're gonna take this look today. I'm honestly like really kind of just winging it in a sense. I could hear Esther snoring and I was like, I know she's somewhere, and I turned around, she's just down there. She breathes so loud, it's so funny, like, I don't know, she's just such a funny girl. Okay. Maybe we'll stay with like the kind of like a light pink vibes. I don't know. I really don't know. Some pretty shimmers in here. I feel like that's really pretty. I feel like that could make a real pretty halo eye. But alright, I'm gonna go into the shade called, it's called Pinky Promise, and it's like a real light pale pink. I'm gonna use that to blend this shade out. Cute. Also, I don't know if you can see like my sunburn, but like you can see where my glasses were. I haven't filmed really at all this week. I got heat stroke on Monday and it was so shit. Like so sucked. Like it sucked so bad. It was really not great. I'm gonna take a bit of a smaller brush, like this one, and we're going into a shade called New Style, and it's like a hot pink. I'm gonna put this like in the inner and outer corner. Yeah, so I got like heat stroke, and got like a really bad sunburn, and yeah, it was just not fun. So this week I've really been off my game. It took me a little while to recover from that, and like today is Friday, and I only was like just able to start laying like on my arms again in like at night time in bed, because they had been burning for like days and I couldn't like lay on them or touch them or anything. It's really not a fun time. So yeah, just been kind of getting over that. I have been struggling a little bit. I knew I would, and that's exactly why I did this challenge or did this thing. I've missed one day of uploading, which I was really sad about, but it was the day that I got the heat stroke and I was like, look, like I could barely like keep my eyes open, and like yeah, I just was so out of it and felt so unwell, and there was just no way, and I was like, I don't even care, like, you know, it's not doable at the moment. So yeah, I feel like I am a little bit sad, but also at the same time, I know there was nothing I could do. Correction, there was nothing I could do on that day. If I had have been more organised and had my videos like set to upload and like scheduled and stuff, we wouldn't have missed a day. But yeah, I mean, I've gone back to work, and yeah, we're working like long days at the moment, so yeah, I'm gonna try not to beat myself up about it. I'm like just gonna try and not miss any more days. And like, you know, if it had been a thing of like, oh, I couldn't be bothered or whatever, I'd be a lot more like disappointed. But it's the fact that, yeah, I was unwell, so I think it's okay. Yeah, I have been struggling to keep up with the uploads, and that's only because the days that I've been meant to have off work, I have picked up like extra shifts and stuff, and financially I'm not at a point to say no to those shifts at the moment, so yeah. But it's Friday now. I've got Sunday off. If everything goes well, I've got Monday off, and we also have a public holiday at the end of next week, so hopefully I should be able to start catching up a little bit. Alright, I'm just taking the shades I've used before and blending everything, make it look all, you know, cohesive and that. But yeah, I didn't do this challenge because I thought it was going to be easy. I did it because I wanted to, well, like, you know, challenge myself. So yeah, okay, let's put a shimmer on. I feel like this is alright. Okay, we are going to go into the shade called, I think I want to take the one called Click. I feel like it's real pretty. Is that what it's called? Click? I think it is. I'm not much of a like, halo eyes are something that I struggle at so bad. This shimmer is actually so pretty. I love it. Stunning. Cute. I kind of like this. Like, I feel like it's alright. I'm going to go back into the new style shade, which is like our hot pink. And just blend a little. And I'm also going to take the tiniest amount of the shade called Love Notes, which is like a purple. Just so that middle pink shade really pops. No? Cute. I feel like it's looking real cute. Should we take a bit of a liner moment? I think I'm going to put on this Plouise liner as well. This is the Fall in Line double-ended liner. And then, yeah, finish off the rest of my face, and then I will be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me zoom you in. I feel like it looks really, really nice. I'm actually super, super impressed. I was a little bit nervous going into this video because pinks, sometimes they don't suit me. Like, they tend not to suit me very well. But I feel like this eye look is actually really pretty. Like, I feel like it's real cute. I don't know, it's just giving me kind of like, I don't know, like just like cute little girly vibes. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Love the palette as always. I feel like Plouise shadows are just really some of the best, and I think this palette is just so pretty. I don't know what it is. There's just something about monochrome that just really sucks me in. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.